Hello, welcome. Let's solve this question. Write the equation of the line which is parallel to the straight line y equals to 3 divided by 2x plus 5 and is passing through the point 2, 3. So we know that two parallel lines has the same gradient. So if the straight line equation is given to us, we need to find the gradient of that particular line. That gradient is also equal to the line that is parallel. So we can say that the gradient of the line y equals to 3 on 2x plus 5 is just what? 3 on 2. We are aware that the gradient is a coefficient of the x. So this is the gradient. And this gradient is the same as the line that is what? Parallel. So the line parallel to this 3 on 2x plus 5 has the gradient 3 on 2, the same gradient. So now that we know the gradient and it's passing through this point, we can use the gradient and the point. So using the point 2, 3 and gradient 2, that is 3 on 2, we can substitute. So we have y minus y1 equals to mx minus what? x1. So from here, we know this y is part of the equation of a straight line, the y coordinate. And this x is also part of the equation of a straight line, the x coordinate, these two. Then the y1 is the value of 3, the x1 is the value of 1, and the m is a gradient. So we are going to have y equals to y1, which will be 3. This 3. This is the y1. This is the x1. So y1 minus 3. That should be equals to 3 divided by 2, which is the gradient, times x minus x1, which will be what? 2. So this is also an equation that involves a fraction. So we multiply through by the LCM. Either we expand before we multiply, is the same thing. So I'm going to multiply through by the LCM of 2, meaning 2 times y. 2y minus 2, 3, 6. 2 will multiply here. Then we have x minus 2. We know 2 times 3 will be 6. 6 divided by 2 will be 3. Or this will cancel this. Meaning you are left with 2y minus 6 equals to 3x minus 2. We still have a bracket to expand. So let's have our 2y minus 6, 3 times x, 3x, then 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. So we are going to write this in the form of this, meaning we need a y to be alone on the left. So we are going to subtract, add 6 to both sides. So here will be 2y minus 6 plus 6 will give you 0. So that will be equals to 3x, this very minus 6. Then we are adding 6 to both sides, right? So I'll be having plus 6. This will give you 2y equals to 3x plus 0. Minus 6 plus 6 will give you 0. But we are looking for the value of 1 to be y, to be alone. So let's divide by 2 by 2. So y will be equals to 3 on 2x. So this is the equation we are looking for. Plus 0. And the 0 without it will still make no difference. So this becomes the equation of the second straight line that is parallel to the first one. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.